Okay, it's time to tackle this and see what's wrong.
Hey Lee, the string won't come out.
Okay. Very, very tight. Very tight. Broke it, but got it off. I guess that's what happens when you hit a big rock. It doesn't just bend the blades, it takes out the jack shaft as well. Guess I gotta order one.
It's been a few days since I updated you on the tree. I don't know if it's been a few days when I post the video, but it has been a few days, and I want to show you the tree that is dying once again. Oh, and while I was out there with the camera recording Lee on the tractor, I got bit by something. I don't know what it was. Probably it was in that pod thing I was holding. Anyway, it itches. I'm going to put some Vicks on it here in a little bit. But let me show you the tree in the meantime. It's looking pretty sparse, isn't it? There is still some green, and there's some yellow, and there's some brown, and a lot of leaves are missing. It was such a beautiful canopy. When eventually I'll go back, find that video, and then I can put the how it looked before I killed it, how it looks after I killed it. Anyway, too bad.
It's tractor time again. This is a temporary support, we're screwing to the floor. That will mark out the rafters so that we know we get the correct pitch when we screw them together or put them together. This is where one end of the rafter will go. Over there is the other end, and it'll come out to a point over here. And that's how we get our measurement. This is supposed to be 131 and 1/8 from the back wall. All right, we'll go get the rafter materials now. So all but one of these has two plates. This one does not. This is the back piece, I believe, that goes there. The back gable wall is part of the plate. So